Today we have got a beautiful, beautiful hike through the Johnston Canyon. You can really feel how fresh and clean the air is. And that queue right there is what I do for you guys. All I've done is non-stop like this. And we have made it to the top of Johnston Canyon. Yes, sir. Good morning. Today, we have got a beautiful, beautiful hike through the Johnston Canyon. There's loads of trails that I think is like 4.5, 5 hours altogether. So there's gonna be some beautiful scenes today. Because I am gonna be there for 5 hours, I'm gonna have to go and get some food. So I'm gonna go get maybe some snacks, some cereal bars, some apples. It's gonna be a great day, so come around with me. First up, IGA. Okay, that is the shopping done. That came to a total of $19.67, which I don't think is too bad. I mean, that's a sandwich, crisps, apple, 2 bananas, a Gatorade and 5 cereal bars. So that should keep me going for the day for sure. I've got about half an hour now until my bus, and the bus stop is literally just outside the shop here. So I'm gonna be waiting here now, wait for the bus, and then Johnston Canyon, here we come. As you can see, we have made it to Johnston Canyon. I'm going to be starting the trail now. There's all sorts of trails, all sorts of things to see. Already we're looking at at least a 3-mile walk, but it's going to be great vibes. So let's see what this trail has to offer. I love coming to places like this because even though Canada is so fresh with how big and how many trees there are, just to come to somewhere like this, you take a big deep breath and you can really feel how fresh and clean the air is just from being out in the wilderness. It's amazing. You know when you're getting close to a waterfall, but you're gonna hear that crashing sound just increase massively. And this is waterfall number 2. After a 30-minute wait, this is the upper waterfalls. And now, up to the outlook. And that queue right there is what I do for you guys. Because there is no way I would have waited in that for like half an hour. And it actually doubled since I've been there as well. But anyway, we've completed it. Now we'll go and look at the same waterfall, but from the top bird's eye view. Whew, I think that's about halfway now. We've still got ink spots to see, which is about 3,000 meters away from here. So I call that a halfway, but it's probably not even a quarter. But I'm gonna sit down and get some food because I'm really hungry. And it seems that everyone around this waterfall is having their food. So I'm gonna have some food and then we'll keep going. Canadian Tesco meal deal. Definitely not coming at Tesco prices though. Okay, the energy in my body is replenished. The weight from my bag is decreased. And now for the 3,000 meter trip up to ink spot. And I'm gonna have to take my time for the first bit because I'm quite prone to getting stitches. And I think we can all agree that stitches are not what you need when you're doing a hike. I don't know how far I've gone, but this one is completely different to any of the other falls. All I've done is non-stop like this. I'm hoping I'm halfway. It's definitely a journey, but this is why it's a good one because not many people do this one. It's a lot quieter, barely anyone on this trail. Really nice. And we have made it to the ink spots, and already this water is so beautiful. It's like green and blue tints from where the water passes through the sand, and it gives this sort of, yeah, greeny blue color. I can't really describe it, I'm just going to show you, but look at the views. Beautiful. We have made it to the top of Johnston Canyon. What a hell of a journey that was coming up here. I think it took me around 3.5 hours with stops in between. Waterfalls, what? Wow. I've seen some great ones back in England, but it just hits different when you're in Canada. Because I'm at the highest point, I've got a long journey all the way down, but I don't think you guys want to see that. So I'm going to end the video now whilst we're on a high. So drop a like if you like me doing hikes, or if you like hikes, because I love them. I think it's a great way to clear the mind and just get out in the wilderness. So it's been your boy Binksy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye bye, big blessings.